Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. We have an annoying repair. Annoying when it's broken, easy repair, but it's the seat back latch that holds up that board. And I'll show you what I mean. So in these trucks, you have this latch that holds these boards up onto the seat back. So when somebody's sitting in the third seat, this isn't constantly banging into their knees. And then when you fold all the seats down, you can fold these down to make a flat platform. All right, pretty handy, except when these things break, then when you have somebody in the third seat, it's banging against their knees. It's a real easy fix. The part is cheap, it's about 10 bucks. I'll link it in the description below. And it's got two tabs on it, you can see, one on either side. So if you come in from either here or here, with either a screwdriver or any kind of prying tool, like this is one of those Christmas tree clip things, you just want to push in a little bit and pry it up, and it should pop right out. Now when you go in with your prying tool, you're pretty much going to destroy the old one trying to get it out. So what I like to do is open it up so I can see where I'm going, and you want to push those tabs in and pry it up after you get that tab in. You can see here I kind of pushed it in. I'll show you on this one. See how that tab moves in like that? Because it's going to grab there. So I pushed it in, and now on this side I can sort of pry it away. Now if I go to this side here, same thing, you push that tab in, and now the tabs aren't holding it anymore, and you could wiggle it out. And they're usually in there pretty good. The new one, all you got to do is just make sure you put it in right. I got a black one only because that's all that was available was black, but they got them in black, they got them in a tan, and they got them in gray. Those were the three interiors for these vehicles. And now the new one, you're just going to slide down, and you got to push it in the front and the back, and you'll hear a click. You know it's in. Now you can put that seat down, and that'll hold the seat nice. Make sure it's clipped in good, and that's it. Real simple repair. All you need is a screwdriver or some kind of prying tool. You are going to break this getting it out, usually because the plastic is dry and brittle, but all you were doing was coming in like this, pushing this guy in, and then sometimes just pushing one side in, prying up, and the other side will come out. This one was a little tighter in there, so we actually pried through and even broke this one a little bit to get it out, but this is broken anyway, so it doesn't matter. Just know that the clips are on the front and the back. Now on the sides, you get it out, pop your new one in, just a little pressure with your hand, they clip in, and you're fixed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Comments, criticisms in the box down below, and as always, thanks for watching.